PM Modi has flagged off the country's fifth Vande Bharat Express. This semi-high-speed train will run between Central and Mysuru. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Bengaluru on his Karnataka tour. It is here that he inaugurated the trains. This is the first Vande Bharat Express to run in South India. With this new train, the Indian Railways will connect Bengaluru to Chennai via Mysuru, a journey of 497 km in just 6 hours and 40 minutes. The Indian Railways has already conducted a trial run successfully on the Chennai-Bengaluru-Mysuru route. It will be the first semi-high-speed train for South